Do you dream of strolling along the romantic streets of Paris, indulging in delectable pastries, and marveling at iconic landmarks? Paris, the city of light, is a timeless destination that enchants travelers from around the world. Join us as we uncover the top 5 things to do in Paris, each offering its own unique blend of culture, history, and unforgettable experiences. Number 5. Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Our journey begins in the charming neighborhood of Montmartre, home to winding cobblestone streets, quaint cafes, and the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Climb the steps to this stunning white-domed church for panoramic views of Paris, and immerse yourself in the bohemian atmosphere that inspired artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. Explore the bustling Place du Tertre, where local artists display their work, and discover the hidden gems of this picturesque Parisian enclave. Number 4. Seine River Cruise. Next up, we have a quintessential Parisian experience: a cruise along the Seine River. Embark on a scenic journey through the heart of the city, passing by iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. Admire the city's beautiful bridges, historic monuments, and charming riverside neighborhoods as you relax and enjoy breathtaking views from the water. Whether you opt for a daytime cruise or a romantic evening sail, a Seine River cruise offers a unique perspective of Paris that you won't soon forget. Number 3. Louvre Museum. Moving on to one of the world's most famous art museums, the Louvre Museum is a must-visit for art lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Home to thousands of works of art spanning centuries, the Louvre is a treasure trove of masterpieces, including the iconic Mona Lisa, the Venus de Milo, and the Winged Victory of Samothrace. Spend hours wandering through the museum's vast galleries, marveling at ancient Egyptian artifacts, Renaissance paintings, and sculptures from around the world. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the museum's stunning architecture, including the iconic glass pyramid in the courtyard, designed by architect A.M. Number 2. Notre-Dame Cathedral and Al de la Site. No visit to Paris would be complete without a visit to the historic Notre-Dame Cathedral and the charming Al de la Site. Marvel at the cathedral's stunning Gothic architecture, including its iconic gargoyles, rose windows, and flying buttresses. Climb the towers for breathtaking views of the city, and explore the interior, home to beautiful stained glass windows, ornate sculptures, and a rich history dating back over 800 years. Afterward, wander through the picturesque streets of Al de la Site, one of Paris's oldest and most atmospheric neighborhoods, and discover hidden gems such as the Sainte-Chapelle and the Conciergerie. Number 1. Eiffel Tower. Rounding out our list is the symbol of Paris, and one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Eiffel Tower. Towering over the city's skyline, this iron lattice masterpiece offers visitors an unforgettable experience, from its panoramic observation decks to its romantic evening light shows. Ascend to the top for breathtaking views of Paris spread out below you, and capture memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you choose to admire the tower from the Champ de Mars Park, take a leisurely stroll along the Seine River, or dine in one of its elegant restaurants, the Eiffel Tower is a must-see attraction that epitomizes the magic of Paris. There you have it, our top 5 things to do in Paris. Whether you're exploring the charming streets of Montmartre, cruising along the Seine River, or marveling at world-class art in the Louvre Museum, Paris offers travelers an unforgettable journey filled with culture, history, and romance. Have you had the pleasure of visiting Paris? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and au revoir from the City of Light.